Hi, it's Alexis from Artists in Business, back with another video helping you turn your online art business into a success. Today I'm going to show you how to increase your art business sales with a social media engagement plan that actually works. Now, I know you might be thinking, I have seen a million create a social media plan videos and articles, but I don't see how any of them could work for my art business. And to that end, my friend, you are probably right. Because most social media plans won't work for your art business if they aren't custom tailored to your specific business needs. In fact, your social media plan should actually be the last step in your business planning, not the first. Think about this. If you put a group of social media experts in a room who know nothing about your business, and you told them to create a social media plan for your business, all of them would come up with killer plans that could work for the right business model, but not necessarily yours, because they didn't take into account anything about your art, your buyers, or your personal circumstances. And those three factors are key in creating a social plan that not only converts into sales, but is actually fun for you to execute. So instead of creating a social media plan that may or may not work for your business, we're going to create an engagement plan designed specifically for your ideal buyers that includes a social media component with it. This kind of engagement plan takes into account who your specific buyers are, helps you fine-tune your knowledge of them, and does the selling essentially for you. Imagine that, an engagement plan that is focused, enjoyable, and enables you to sell without selling. Sound good? Amazing. So let's dive in. There are three main steps you need to establish the framework for your high converting engagement plan. Step number one, know what your ideal buyers want and need. Step number two, know where they spend time on social media. And step three, know what you're going to offer them. If you know these three, the sky's the limit in terms of how quickly you can build your engagement online and turn that into sales. If you don't know any or all three of these yet, don't worry, because I've got you covered. Step one, know what your ideal buyers want and need. The first step to creating engaging content that actually gets the attention of your audience is to know who your audience is. And once you know who they are and you understand what they want versus what they need, have you ever heard the catchphrase, sell them what they want, but give them what they need? That comes from the fact that people actually buy based on an internal emotional need for the item they choose to invest in. It doesn't matter what the item is. If we feel we need it for any reason whatsoever, we'll be compelled to buy it. And this is especially true for art. To learn more about how to distinguish and discover what your ideal buyers want and need, see my link below to a video on that topic. But for now, there is a simple way to determine this answer. Think about what part of your signature story your buyers in the past have resonated with. If you don't know the answer to this, or you haven't yet sold anything, fear not. Simply make an educated guess. What do you know about the theme of your art that those who admire it or have purchased it really resonate with? Use that as your answer for now. Then visit my links below to dive deeper into your signature story and discovering your ideal buyers. Step two, know where they spend time on social media. Once you know who your buyers are, take a moment to find out where they spend the most time on social media. For example, you may think they spend time on Instagram, when the reality is they're spending much more time on YouTube and TikTok. I've seen this happen all the time with the artists I work with. Just because you have more followers on one social platform, if they're not your true ideal buyers, but instead other artists who are following you but will likely never become buyers, then that's not where you want to focus your time. Instead, move to the platform that may have less following for you, but more possibility for engagement. The easiest way to determine this is to do the following. Number 1, make a list of at least 5 past or potential buyers. 2, see where each of those 5 or more are spending the most time. Check your social analytics for this. You need to know where to go to find more of your buyers. And step 3, know what you're going to offer them. Once you have that answer, make a decision about what offer you're going to make next. The best choice would be your current master offer. Your master offer is the one offer in this moment in time that you know is the best to offer for both your audience and you. For example, you may want to offer commissions right now and know your audience would buy them, but you may also know that you won't be able to create any new commissions for the next 6 months because you're going to have too much on your plate personally to get to them. So commissions are not your master offer in this moment in time. However, you have plenty of originals in your studio to sell that match the theme you know those who want commissions are interested in. So then that becomes the best choice in this moment. Make that choice for yourself now. I have a link below to help you fine-tune your master offer if you want to dive deeper into that. Now that you have your list of what your ideal buyers want and need, where they likely spend the most time on social media, and what you're going to offer them, you're ready to begin creating your engagement plan. I'll see you over in the next video, and remember to check my checklist below for additional support for everything I covered today. What is your most burning question after watching this tutorial? Please share in the comments below so I can be sure to make more videos to answer your specific questions. And to keep up to date with the tutorials I post, be sure to hit the subscribe button. I can't wait to see you in the next video.